This video walks you through how to send a recurring invoice in Wave. Once you are logged into Wave, begin by making sure the correct business is selected. If you manage more than one business in the same account, this matters before you create the invoice, since the customer, invoice details, and schedule will be tied to the business you have open. From the left-hand menu, click Sales and Payments. This opens the section where Wave groups invoices, payments, and related billing tools. From there, click Recurring Invoices to open the area for invoices that send on a schedule instead of being created one at a time. Next, click Create Recurring Invoice. Wave will open a new recurring invoice form where you can set up the customer, invoice content, delivery method, and timing. Select the customer you want to send a recurring invoice to. Be sure the customer record is the correct one before moving forward, especially if you have similar customer names in your account. After that, enter the invoice details. Add the items or services you want included, then fill in the quantity, price, and any taxes that apply. If there is any additional information you need on the invoice, enter that as well. This is the information Wave will use each time the invoice is generated, so review each field as you go. Now set the recurring schedule, choose when the recurring invoice should start, and then choose how often it should repeat. This determines when Wave creates and sends each invoice in the series based on the pattern you select. If end settings are available, configure those next. Depending on the options shown, you may be able to set an end date or a specific number of invoices. If you need the recurring invoice to stop automatically, this is where you define that. Then review the sending options and choose how Wave should send the recurring invoices to your customer. This step controls the delivery method Wave uses once the schedule begins. Enter or confirm the customer's email address and customize the message that will accompany the invoice if needed. Keep the message aligned with the recurring billing arrangement so the customer receives the right context each time an invoice is sent. Before saving, review the recurring invoice details and the schedule one more time. Check the customer, invoice lines, taxes, frequency, start date, end settings, and sending method to make sure everything matches what you want Wave to do automatically. When everything looks correct, click the option to save or activate the recurring invoice. Wave will then generate and send invoices according to the schedule you configured. Thanks for watching. Your recurring invoice in Wave is now set up and scheduled to send automatically.